QR codes, that is quick response codes, changed the lives of millions in last decade. It is impossible to imagine the world without quick response codes. There are no aspects in your life which does not depend upon use of QR codes. The use of QR, quick response, codes has grown in recent years thanks to mobile phones, which can scan them with their built-in camera. Unlike universal product codes, UPCs, which are mechanically scanned by a narrow beam of light, QR codes are detected by a two-dimensional digital image sensor and then digitally analyzed by a programmed processor. Credit card purchases and airline boarding passes can be made with the use of QR codes. They have become even more popular during COVID epidemic. Customers can use their phones to pull up the menu at many restaurants using QR codes menu without touching physical one. Japanese automotive manufacturer company DENSO, located in Aichi, Japan, introduced the QR code in 1994. The code was developed to speed up the tracking of car parts. QR codes is invented by Masahiro Hara. Before QR codes, UPCs, Universal Product Codes, was used, which contain a series of up to 12 numbers, which limits how much information they can store. On the other hand, the QR code can handle numbers of up to 7,087 digits. Before the QR code, DENSO used UPCs to track automotive parts in its factories and warehouse. The scanning was slowing the production and distribution process because many of the boxes had different barcodes on them. Then Hara was an engineer at the company, set out to create a system that could hold more information than the barcodes to ease the workload. QR codes are more robust, and even if 30% of the code area is damaged, they can still be read. According to Hara, the most important feature of a QR code is that it can be read 5 times faster than a barcode. Short URLs are used to condense information into a shorter link that loads faster. This is the way QR codes work, and that is also the differences between UPCs and QR codes. The 2D barcodes, invented in 1987 by engineer David Allace at Intermec, inspired Hara to fit more data into the new code. 2D barcodes use both the vertical and horizontal axis to hold information. Hara was inspired by the board game Go. Pieces are placed at intersection on the board. The players know where the pieces are even if they are off the intersection. The idea was applied to the code. An European patent was granted in 2000. The ISO standard 18004-2015 was given to the QR code in 2000. The most important thing about this technology is that it has been used all over the world in various fields and industries. At last, I have some questions. Is QR code safe? Is QR code unique? Is QR code permanent? If you have the answers, please write in comment box. And never forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.